Welcome back to New Car Updates. Today, we're diving into something that's more than just a vehicle. It's a rolling sculpture, a mobile dream machine, and possibly the wildest motorhome ever built. Meet the brand new 2026 motorhome by automotive artist Randy Grubb. If the name Randy Grubb sounds familiar, it should. He's the creative genius behind jaw-dropping builds like the Blastolene Special, Jay Leno's tank car, and the legendary Decoliner. Known for fusing retro-futuristic design with handcrafted metalwork, Grubb builds machines that look like they drove straight out of a 1930s sci-fi novel. And now, he's unveiled his latest masterpiece, a one-of-a-kind, custom-built motorhome that's turning heads everywhere it goes. This 2026 creation is called the Decoliner, and it's unlike any RV you've ever seen. Imagine a 30-foot-long, hand-formed aluminum body, covered in thousands of rivets, with not a single flat panel in sight. It's more like a rolling Art Deco spaceship than a traditional motorhome. Think streamlined Moderna meets Jules Verne. The exterior alone is a showstopper, but wait until you step inside. The Decoliner's interior is a work of craftsmanship that rivals luxury yachts and private jet cabins. From aircraft-style toggle switches to custom lighting, wood inlays, and plush upholstery, every detail is hand-finished. There's a lounge area, a kitchenette, a sleeping berth, and even a small bathroom, each part styled with Randy's unmistakable vintage meets modern flair. Now, this isn't just something that sits pretty in a garage. It drives, and surprisingly well. Built on a custom tube chassis with a mid-mounted engine, possibly diesel or hybrid, it handles more like a vintage bus than an RV. Grubb designed it to be driven, not just displayed. And yes, it turns heads everywhere it goes. But the Decoliner isn't about mass production or practicality. It's about imagination. It's about building something that no one else dares to. Randy Grubb builds from passion, not from blueprints. This motorhome isn't made for dealerships, it's made for dreamers, collectors, and anyone bold enough to live inside a work of art. So what do you think? Is this the future of custom RVs? Or is it a one-off gem destined for a private collection or an art museum? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this look at Randy Grubb's latest creation, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to New Car Updates, and ring the bell so you never miss another wild automotive story. We've got plenty more stunning builds and future cars coming your way. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.